Hey, Piper. Putting up flyers? Me too.
Bowie, what are you doing?
Promoting Knickknack's 75th anniversary. We're throwing a party for the employees.
I mean, why'd you put that there?
I don't know. For some reason, I just thought that was a good spot for a flyer. Here's another good spot for a flyer.
Stop it! I'm starting a band. I want people to see my flyer.
You're starting a band? That's cool. Aren't you gonna get that?
Nope.
But I play keyboards, all kinds, including the keytar, the keybone, and the kazoo.
Woo! Musicians wanted for new band. Piper, can I be in your band?
No.
But I play the drums. And I already have the band uniform.
Look, I don't want to mix work with the rest of my life. You guys know work, Piper. But outside of here, I have a dark side.
We've been seeing your bright side.
Yes.
If you don't want Knickknack employees in the band, why are you posting your flyers around here?
A lot of musicians cut through this courtyard. It leads to the record store, the guitar store, and the food bank. The point is, I don't want anyone from work in the band.
You're starting a band? I play guitar.
Welcome to the band! Everyone?
Buckle up and hold on tight. You and me on a wild ride. We're gonna own it and change the game. Together we'll make it all the way. Through all the ups and all the downs. We'll always find a way around. So here we go. Here we go. Yeah, here we go. You got me. I got you. Here we go.
Okay, guys, welcome to the first band practice of Piper and the Pied Pipers. Now, just because we're naming the band after me, I don't want you to think you'll have less say. Because you never had any say, so you can't have less than that.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Knox, we haven't decided on a song yet.
I know. I just love counting. But thanks for stopping me when you did, because I get pretty lost after 4.
I wrote a song for us. I think you'll enjoy playing it as much as I enjoyed writing it. It's called Soul Crushing Sadness.
1, 2, 3, 4.
The skies bring nothing but rain. My heart's a bloody stain. Anger pulsates in my brain. My soul is full of pain. Life is madness, consumed by madness. Yet you can feel the soul-crushing sadness.
Everybody now.
Life is madness, consumed by madness. Yet you can feel the soul-crushing sadness.
What's wrong? You guys are supposed to sing backup, not just back up.
Yeah. It's just your song is a little horribly depressing.
Maybe we could brighten it up with a little tambourine.
Or better yet, a little keyboard. Ooh, ooh, girl.
What are you doing?
Ooh, ooh, girling. It's my thing.
Well, I don't want your thing.
What about my thing? Do you want my thing?
Nobody wants your thing. I don't want tambourines, keyboarines, or ooh-ooh girls. I don't want any of your ideas.
Why not?
Because the band is called Piper and the Pied Pipers, not Piper and the Pied Nitwits. Let's just take 5.
Take what? Aster, your outfits just get weirder and weirder.
This isn't my outfit. I'm just carrying a cardboard box.
What is all this stuff?
Bunch of old Knickknack products. Jarvis asked me to pick one of these discontinued toys to re-release for the 75th anniversary.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm the company's product and safety tester. You should run these things past me first.
I was trying to run them past you, but you saw me. So now we're talking.
I'm just saying, maybe some of these old toys were discontinued for a reason. They might not be safe.
I'm sure they're fine. They're just simple, old-fashioned toys. See? Like the Knickknack Dipsy Ball. You just throw it and catch it. Ah, sports! I caught it!
See? Your finger's stuck.
So I'll just pull the ball off.
Or get another finger stuck.
I'm sure I can get out of this.
All right, that settles it. I'm going to have to test all these old toys to make sure they're safe.
Okay, if you think it's necessary.
Okay, what about Nets? Hey guys, I came up with a great idea for the band.
Here's an idea. Stop coming up with ideas.
But I arranged for us to perform at Knickknack's anniversary party.
Really? That actually is pretty cool.
Yeah, sweet gig. How'd you hook that up? I know a guy. Ooh, what guy? Me. I'm the guy. The guy's me. You don't know him.
This is awesome. This could be our big break.
Speaking of big breaks, I just took a 2-hour lunch break because I had a hard time eating my sandwich. Because I broke both my arms.
What happened? Did you hurt yourself testing those old discontinued toys?
No, I hadn't even started yet. I did this trying to open a book.
Great. Now our band has a gig, but no drummer.
Don't worry, guys. These days they make some really sophisticated high-end drum machines.
We need someone with real rhythm. Ooh. 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 I say we give the monkey a shot.
Knox, how are you gonna safety test these toys with 2 broken arms?
Easy. By getting you to do it.
Me? Safety test? I barely survived the Dipsy Ball.
You're fine. None of you is stuck in it anymore.
I wish that were true.
I'm sure nothing in this box is as dangerous as the Dipsy Ball.
Professor Knickknack's Atomic Energy Lab.
So, what else is in here?
Nico the Clown's juggling axes. Now extra killy.
Ah, poor Nico. He died in a car accident. I heard they were pulling dead clowns out of the wreckage for hours.
Yeah, I left a bouquet of squirting flowers at that intersection.
I can't believe you've never played the drums before. You're incredible.
I have to admit, you're a better drummer than the monkey. But to be fair, the monkey's better at your job.
I was right to make you test those toys. Turns out they were all extremely dangerous. But there is one left you haven't tested.
You test it.
I can't. My arms are broken. Yours aren't. Besides, that one looks harmless.
Fishy Friends Instapet. This little guy actually looks kind of cute. Just add it to water and watch it grow.
Help! Help! Ah!
I'm trying to help you. Pick a toy. There's nothing left except the box. Wait a second. I love cardboard boxes. We should release this as the toy. What do you say, Aster?
So, who's ready for the dress rehearsal? Clearly not you. What's going on? I had some ideas about brightening up our wardrobe. What do you think? I think it looks like you raided a 5-year-old's birthday party.
Oh, I did. But that's not why we're dressed like this. We like Geneva's suggestions. After all, she has an eye for fashion. And you have an eye? That's kind of scaring me right now.
Whatever. We'll discuss this later. Can we just rehearse the song? Sure. One, two, three, four.
The skies bring nothing but rain. My heart's a bloody stain. Anger pulsates in my brain. My soul is full of.
What's going on? This song doesn't sound right.
That's because you're singing the wrong lyrics.
I rewrote them to be more happier and more funner and more or less depressinger. It's supposed to be depressing. It's called soul-crushing sadness.
Not anymore. Now it's called Whole Lot of Gladness. The only soul you'll be crushing is the one on your shoe when you tap your foot.
The skies bring nothing but sunniness. Clowns are good at funniness. I like my eggs with runniness. Rabbits are full of bunniness. This is not a Piper in the Pied Piper song. You're right. That's why we changed our name. Geneva and the Pied Genevas?
We just thought it was a catchier name.
Catchier? It makes no sense. There's no such thing as a Pied Geneva.
Well, there's no such thing as a Pied Piper. What does that even mean? I've never seen one.
You guys want to know what a Pied Piper looks like? Well, the word pie comes from magpie and refers to the black and white or piebald clothing the Piper wore. Anyway, here's the last pie for the knick-knack party.
Come on! Who really likes Geneva's changes? You don't get a vote! You're not in the band! You know what? Neither am I. I quit. I never wanted to be in a band with you guys anyway.
I guess we should have seen this coming. Yeah. Of course there was going to be pie. Why did I fill up on birthday cake?
The unwanted girl never got her way, like the kid on the team who never got to play, like a tissue you sneeze and then just throw away, like the bones of a kitten mauled by a bird of prey. Unwanted girl, guess I'll always be thee. Unwanted girl, unwanted girl, unwanted girl. To those dumb jerks
Jarvis? How much of that did you hear?
Everything from unwanted girl to those dumb jerks. Piper, there was so much emotion in that song. It's so powerful, so raw. Who's it about?
Seriously?
Yeah, I mean, do I know this girl? She clearly needs professional help.
It's about me and how I'm out of the band.
Really? But you quit.
I didn't want to. Being in a band has been my dream for as long as I can remember. Now there's a band, but I'm not part of it. I feel like I'm watching other people live out my dream and ruining it with happy lyrics and colorful clothes and Bowie. Forget it. You wouldn't understand.
Actually, I do. Running a toy company is my dream. But Knickknack isn't just my company. We all work together. So, in a way, it belongs to all of us.
I guess that's true.
I mean, I feel that way emotionally, but legally it's mine. If I sell it, I get all the money. But sometimes for the good of the company, I have to really consider other people's ideas, even the bad ones. Like Knox's idea to make whoopee pants.
That was my idea.
Bad example.
But I get what you're saying. I could have been more open to people's ideas for the band. Huh?
But we should have trusted your vision more. It's clear you have a gift. That song you were singing when I came in was really good.
Thanks.
Though, it would have been even better with an ooh, ooh, girl.
In celebration of Knickknack's 75th birthday, we present an old toy that's new again. Knickknack's Cardboard Box. There are lots of ways to play with Cardboard Box.
You can't play with it. It hasn't been safety tested yet.
It's a cardboard box. I'll be fine. Cardboard box. You can pick it up. You can put it on your head. You can pretend you're in a dark cave where you can't see anyone's ugly outfit. You can...
I'm really sorry. I really should have been more open to your ideas. If you'll take me back, I'd really love to be a Pied Geneva.
They're not performing tonight. Piper and the Pied Pipers are.
What are you talking about?
Starting a band was your thing, and we messed it up with cool costumes and good music.
You never hang out with us much outside of work. The only reason we joined the band was to spend more time with you. Not me. I joined for the tale. Because someday this will be an exciting tale, I tell my children.
You guys are the best. Partial group hug?
Anyway, what kind of party would this be without a little soul-crushing sadness, Knox?
And now, a band that was much better before they lost their original drummer, Piper and the Pied Pipers!
1, 2, 3, 4!
The skies bring nothing but rain. My heart's a bloody stain. Anger pulsates in my brain. My soul is full of pain. Life is madness. Comes from my madness. Can't you just feel this soul-crushing sadness?
worry. Happens to me all the time. It's just a polite greeting.
They hate my song.
That's not true.
We hate your song!
We should play Geneva's version.
No, this is your thing. We're playing your song.
But we have to do something before this crowd
Everyone, grab a pie.
loses interest and just eats pie.
Skies bring nothing but sunniness. Clowns are good at funniness. I like my eggs with runniness. Rabbits are full of funniness. Life is bradness. Not my mom and dadness. Can't you feel there's a whole lot of gladness?
Ooh, ooh, girl.
Guys, that was great. Pie. I also enjoyed your song.
I hear people love the cardboard box.
It's an awesome toy. Aster's not here. He must still be playing with it.
I'm alive! I'm alive! All those old dangerous toys are here too. Oh no, that means... Great! This was the last thing I needed!
Hey there, boys and girls. I have big news. Real front-page stuff. Knickknack Toys, the company that brought you Nico the Clown's juggling axes, and Professor Knickknack's Atomic Energy Lab, brings you an exciting new toy. Cardboard box. And it's not just any cardboard box. Our cardboard boxes are made by clear-cutting only the oldest and mightiest of trees. I'm P. Everett Knickknack. You can't tell, but I'm a cartoon. The P stands for Packaging Not Included.